Sabio Trade Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how trading platforms have advanced in 2025. Sabio Trade offers stock trading, forex, and crypto services, but is it right for your portfolio? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming trading platforms are overly complex. Sabio Trade provides a user-friendly interface for both beginners and experienced traders, with easy order placement, portfolio tracking, and real-time data. Another advantage is tools. You won't believe what happens next when you see research resources, charting tools, and alerts for market movements. These features help investors make informed decisions and react quickly to opportunities. However, there are cons. Fees for certain trades or premium features may apply, and crypto trading carries high volatility risks. Customer support may vary, and learning curves exist for advanced tools that beginners might find overwhelming. In conclusion, Sabio Trade in 2025 is suitable for traders seeking a versatile platform with real-time tools and accessible features. While fees and market risks are important considerations, its usability and resources make it a competitive option for both novice and seasoned investors.